Alright, I'm Boontog, April 2nd, 2025. Just downtown Tagbilaran, not downtown, but close. At GJ Car Care. And we got the Lucky Less machine over there, all topped off with water. I'm bringing her down for a sleepover. So she's gonna get a new radiator put in it. I'm excited, but it's gotta cool down. They said, let her have a sleepover. I'm in no panic. I'm trying to get a cab ride, but so far no luck. But yeah, they're busy. Busy. They all got passengers. That's good. Nobody wants Whitey sitting beside them. No. Yay. Some are private, some are public. That was a public one. Usually they'll spin around on a dime for you and give you a nickel change. I don't want to ride in a fucking motorcycle sidecar. Just to, I will. Beat sitting out here all fucking day getting rained on. But that's what I'm up to. For hire, all right, I got a ride. Nope. Just going around. Unbelievable. Fuck, should I try and squeeze in this thing? Get my shirt all dirty. Camilla Holmes?
Camilla Holmes?
Yeah. Take me there?
How much?
How much? Yeah.
It's up to you.
Alright. Oh, squeeze. Here, I'm doing it. Thank you.
Inside Camilla Holmes?
Yeah. I'm in the tricycle, motorcycle sidecar. But you gotta, well, this has got a nice soft roof on it. It's like a convertible roof. Fabric. It's not bad. Nice little unit, actually. Ow. I spoke too soon. Back windows. Yeah, comfy. What I'm looking at out the side here. Different parts of the Philippines. Alright. Yeah, I've been topping that cooling system up since the day I bought it. Not very much. 250 mil, 500 mil. Bit of a gas tank or so. And then I tried a product called, was it Red Devil or Blue Devil? Blue Devil, I think. And it sealed her up for about 8-9 days. I thought I was home free. I've been coming home yesterday, the little red dummy light started flashing. I don't know what to do. Yep, she got hot. Hopefully I didn't fucking head gas. But this morning, well, not this morning, just now I just topped up with water. And I drove it all the way to the repair shop. No warning lights, so that's all good news. Yeah, we're at a light here. Sitting in traffic. Way more comfortable than this. Need a wiper. Windshield wiper. Election's coming up. Ah, they got a pumper truck over there. Don't see many of them here. I haven't anyway. Could be the first. Usually they do a bucket brigade. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking at through the motorcycle sidecar. Oh, this one with the pedestrian. Race is on. You got a grass dashboard in there. Right on. I got the driver's number. Reikis, Fish House. Funeral homes. Bumpity bump, bumpity bump. Alflex hydraulic hoses. Whoa! T-bone them. There's another bike store there. I've never checked that one out. Yeah, rainy days. Sun will be out here soon. And it'll be dry and humid again. If you turn left up here, it's light, I think. Pretty quick way along. Maybe even here, this guy knows where he's going. Take a left here, then a right, then a left. Oh, this is the right road. Bang, that's right. This is where you turn. It's graffiti art. Stay safe. Better than looking at a concrete wall. School. Kids. Businesses. Council. Cafeteria. Coffee house. No smoking. They all got the no smoking signs in them. Not sure if the driver smoked, he'd like to smoke though. Pretty much open air. Yeah, I should probably get rid of the Lucky Less machine number 1 and number 2 and get one of these things. Start being more Filipino. Because that's all we really need. It really, really is. No radiators to replace. You go through a lake. Smells like salmon spawn in water. I kid you not. Alright, chuck her in the pool low. Nothing to really look at. Waiting on a light. Get a light. 49 seconds to go. So I'll stick you on the pause. Actually, just checking out the tree trunk here. Big burls on it, or warts, or whatever you want to call it. Wicked. All right, we're off. That's what the back of this thing looks like too. It's like 20 seconds to get through it. Big lineup of traffic there. One of the main arteries. Yeah, coming up on the I forget the LTO, Land Transport Office, I think it is. And where I get my insurance, automobile insurance, driving schools all over the place here. I think he's going to turn left here. Yep. Yeah, Land Transport Office. Zoom, zoom, zoom. People out on the deck enjoying the scenery. Got a left-hand turn coming up here for that, the one in front of us. New blacktop road just ported a week or two ago. I should check it out. I've never been up that one. That's everything's brick fenced off. casual. Less stress when you don't have to drive. Absolutely. Wet rooster over there looking pretty funny. A lot of flooding on the roads, puddle gathering, rain gathering. On another main intersection. That's the Aussie rules. 7:38 in the morning, the place is crazy. Then at 5 in the evening, it's crazy. But it seems to work. Little Suzuki Jiminy Crickets. Elementary school on the left here. Everyone's dropping their kids off and early in the morning. It's crazy down, but everyone's trying to go to work. Nice. Flooding there. Oh, it's ridiculous. Dog. Always on the road. And we're here. We made it. I don't know how this is going to go with the security guard. I can't remember. He's got to stop, I guess, and give him ID. Peace, man. Is it okay? Peace. Okay. Thank you. second gear up the hill. It's a record. Knocked her into third. Go right up to the big traffic circle, all the way to the end. Yeah, right. No, go. Yeah, the grass is due for a trimming. Oh, the tiny boxes on the hillside. We're gonna go left, but you gotta go around the circle. And then I turn it right around the corner. And another right there. Yeah, but no, straight and then right. Right here. And right there. Salamat. All right, my friend. How many pesos you want? Ah, a water bottle there. How many pesos?
30.
How many pesos?
30.
30? Oh, fuck, that's a deal, man. I'll set this guy right up. Okay, I'm gonna give him 100, but what a cheap ride, 30 pesos. Thanks, bye.